Guys, it's Narelle here, and welcome back with another package unboxing. My friend Ramona Chan on Instagram actually sent me this package for my birthday. My birthday is May 22nd, so it's early because she lives in Germany at the moment, so it would take a lot longer to get to me, so she sent it early, and this is what it is. I wasn't expecting it to be a legit package. She told me she went a little overboard with it, and I'm like, you are not lying. So I'm just going to get started with it because I know I'm going to fangirl too much, and I just got off of work, so I'm a little tired, so just bear with me. Alright, ooh! Okay, so we're just gonna open it. Ooh, I see a very pretty letter. Let me fold it back so I won't ruin things. Alright, and she put happy birthday washi on it. It's so cute. So the letter states, "Hello, Narelle Busby. I just want to say happy birthday. I hope you have a great birthday. I hope this gets to you on time and not too late, LOL. You made it." It's like the 18th, so you're like 4 days early, so yay. "You are a great artist / YouTuber. I really love how you draw, and you're a great person to talk to. I hope / know that you will be successful at what you do. There is 2 packages for you. Hope they come together. Also, in the box, there is artsy stuff and a goodie bag." Oh, hope you like the birthday cake. There are a couple of OCs of mine. I put in these that are new. Also, fan art for you as well. Oh, and congrats on your graduation. Thanks from Germany, Ramona Chan. Ooh, time to open. And I see a painting. I see a canvas. Luckily, I do have room space. I'll be able to hang it in my room. So 1, 2, 3, go. She drew Alcaga. Oh my gosh, she's a happy birthday. It's so cute, and I will enjoy this cake. I love it. and it says 24. I will be 23, but I will accept this 2 years in a row because I love this. I love this so much. I legit gotta find a good spot to put it in. And I see a plastic folder and I see the art. I'm like so sad because I can see it. Alright, I'm gonna open it up. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take some art2 out. Alright, and yes, these are new characters of hers. I've seen these on Instagram. These are the originals? Oh my gosh, I was expecting prints, but you actually sent me the originals of these. I do not remember their names off the top of my head, so I'll put them on screen. But her characters are like the cutest thing. So here's 2 of this character. Alright, and oh my gosh, it's Dante from Devil May Cry. He's like my husband from another husband. I love Dante. Like, oof, he is such a gorge. He was my gorgeous man crush before Maya. Now it's Maya now. Maya has taken up my life and my Twitter. But oh my gosh, I'm still like shocked that you actually sent me the originals. Like, I'm gonna cherish this like for the rest of my life. They're just so cute. And I know what this is. It's Aiko and Mitsu. It's so cute. It's adorable. She sent me like the sketch version of this, and I'm like, it's just so much cuter in person. Oh my gosh! And I love the polka dots you added, and I love their outfits, and it's just amazing. I got to put these in like nice plastic sleeves because I am not letting these get ruined. Ooh! This is a big goodie bag. I'm like so overwhelmed right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like take the goodie bag out and like close this so I will not ruin the stuff that's in there. So she says, goodie bag, yay! And she puts a really cute guy on the front. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Or in ghetto terms, I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trying not to look. Oh, okay. It feels like books. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna take them out one by one. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I was totally off. It's art supplies. I don't know why. It felt like a book when you were holding it this way. Oh my gosh. This is by I think this is a German brand because I can't understand what that is. But these are colored pencils. No, they're watercolored pencils because you can see it right here. You can use them with a brush. And they came in a nice little tin. And ooh, these are actually really nice. They have a good range of colors and they come with a brush. I'm probably going to use my own brush, but ooh, I cannot wait to try these. Oh my gosh. Like now I have to spam you for your birthday whenever it is cuz I am like so overwhelmed. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, it's a sketchbook. It's a sketchbook. Oh, I wish I didn't see that. It's a Daler and Rowney sketchbook. I think it's the same one I have right here. Yeah, it's the same one I have right here. I've never seen these. I've never seen the A6 versions where I am in the States because she's in Germany. But yeah, this is actually really cute. Oh my gosh. And of course, I ruined it for myself. But she put this here. It's so cute. And I'm taking it, this is Aiko, because you can see her space buns. It's so cute. And ooh, I'm surprised the Copic didn't bleed on the next page. So this is the last one in here, hopefully. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, here's the back. And it's a Faber-Castell product. And flip! Ah, there's some more coloring pencils. So I'm going to open these up because I have to. Like, and these are in a nice tin. Like, I wish I could find this stuff where I am, but I can't. Oh, I love these. I really love these. And I'm actually quite happy because it has German on it. It does have English, but the first language is German, and I find that really cool. But, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this open. Oh my gosh! These are like so flipping cool. And they actually have a slot on the pencil where you can put your name on them. How cool are these? And again, it has German writing there. I just find this really cool. I don't know why, but I'm literally gonna make a picture with these. So that is it for the goodie bag. So I'm going to put these supplies up here where the art suit is, and I'm going to slide this back in focus. So we're going to open this back up, and I see a Hinata Shoyo, baby. I see him. And oh my gosh, all of your packaging for your art is super cool. I wish I could find stuff like this, but yeah, look at the Hinata Shoyo child. It's so cute, and I love this. I love this. Ooh, I don't want to take it out because I think I'm going to bend it. But ooh, did you do this on 9x12 paper? Because it seems like it is 9x12. And I'm like so jelly of your skills. And oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. And oh, I'm like gonna die. Not really, but I'm literally dying because I've been eyeing this artwork for a very long time. I just love the highlight effects, and I just love all the effects she got on it. And I think this is one of my favorite artworks done by Ramona. We'll fill this up because I've never seen anything like this. I don't know. This is just blowing my mind. So I'm gonna recap everything that I got from my love, Ramona. So I got the arts. I got some colored pencils with a new sketchbook. And I got some artsu. Lots of artsu. And then I got my alpaca cake going on here. And then I got a pretty letter. Thank you so much, Ramona, and I will see you guys in the second part because she says there's another package. So hopefully that comes tomorrow. If not, it'll come the day after tomorrow. No, because mail doesn't come on Sunday. So hopefully it will come tomorrow and I can edit it all together. But yeah.